morning, everyone. Happy Friday. I hope you're all doing well and you've had a good week and continue to do so for the weekend. I wanted to talk to you about brokerage accounts. I have friends and family that are interested in investing or getting into the market and are wondering what's a good brokerage account. And I wanted to cover those that I've used, those that I know about, and I've researched. First of all, I know that there's Robinhood out there. There's WEBULL. Those are two very popular apps right now that are tied to brokerage accounts. I personally have used Ally and continue to use Ally Invest. I like it because it offers an online checking account that gives you a much better savings interest rate than your traditional bank. There's TD Ameritrade and there's E-Trade. Those are the ones that I'm mostly familiar with. And the things that I like about a brokerage account are two things that I look for are mobile and website application. Having just mobile sometimes isn't enough. Sometimes you want to look at charts and tie everything together. And looking at a chart on a mobile app is a challenge sometimes. And not only that, but when you only have let's take Robinhood as an example. I don't want to pick on them. I know it's very popular. But when people struggle to get their cash out from an application, that's a no-go for me. No-go. You need your cash and you need it when you need it. And an app that ties your cash is just not good with me. I think I signed up for partial shares and they basically said you cannot extract the partial shares from the brokerage firm for X amount of time, whatever it might be. I have to research it more, but that's not going to work. So I've also researched WEBULL, and I must say I'm pretty impressed. I'm impressed because their charts are pretty top-notch. They're also associated with Apex Clearing, which Apex Clearing ultimately owns Ally Invest or is associated with Ally Invest, which I've been using now for 10 plus years, ever since they were Trade King. Now they turned into Ally Invest past 5 years, 6 years, I can't remember. But I've been able to execute my trades very well, get my cash, transfer my cash, protect my cash. Also, some of you might be trading options contracts. So Ally Invest is very good. Some of you might want a warrant. I know this is advanced, but I just wanted to mention it. So you might want a warrant. Well, you can't get some warrants on Robinhood. And maybe you want some. So those are the types of things that I've run into, and I wanted to just share that information with friends and family or anybody in general who would like to know. If you find this video value, please like, I won't mind, and share it with your friends and family if it helps them. It's all about helping people. And also, fees are pretty standard now. You want to avoid giving anybody any of your money as much as possible. And that's one positive from Robinhood. They put pressure on the market for the big dogs, the big TD Ameritrade and the E-Trade of the world to knock their fees down. That's why I signed up with Ally Invest. At the moment, it was $3.95 per transaction to buy or sell a stock. So if you bought 10 shares, it cost you $3.95. If you bought one, it cost you $3.95. Now it's no more. No, not an issue anymore. So it's good. Ease of use, you want to have something that's obviously easy to use. So compare tools, see which one you like the best. Right now it doesn't even cost any money to sign up for most of these brokerage accounts, and you can try the tools. I would encourage you to spend a good few days just trying the tools, maybe executing small funds or paper trading. Paper trading is great. The only thing about it is that if you don't have skin in the game, then it's just like anything else that where you don't have skin in the game, you're not going to pay attention. So that's the difference between paper trading and having skin in the game. You're going to pay attention. And by skin in the game, I mean you invested your money. I think, I'm not sure if I said this, but having a website and then having a mobile app, it's nice to have both, because sometimes you're on vacation and you need to just keep up on your finances, checking bank account, whatever it might be, charts. There's so much right now to keep track of. But that's why mobile app is great. I recommend Ally Invest because I've used it. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. I'm just sharing what I know. And WEBULL, I just tried out their mobile app, and it's nice. You get the 1 minute, the 15 minute, the 30 minute, whatever minute or chart you need. You've got the news on there. You have news, analysis, analyst rankings. It goes on and on what WEBULL has on their mobile app, and I'm thoroughly impressed. I've been looking for something like that for a couple of years now, and it's finally on the market, at least from what I was aware of. And somebody might have had this, or they might have been charging for such an app. Liquidity, so you want to get a brokerage account that's not going to hold your funds. I think I said that again, but liquidity is important, because with the volatility of the market, sometimes you need to switch over to cash, or you need to switch over to investment, and having a brokerage account that's going to execute on that is great. Customer service, if you need to, for whatever reason, call a person and talk to them about your funds and what you need to do with them, or what transactions you need done. It's important that you get into a brokerage account that's going to execute. Again, consult your own financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only, and this is my personal opinion. I hope it's of some use to somebody. Again, please comment if you use some tools and you think others might benefit from knowing that information or using those tools. Like if this was any value or can be value to any friends and family, and subscribe, as I will be doing more videos. So I wanted to share a little bit about WEBULL before I conclude. So here you have it. It's WEBULL, and I'm not, obviously I can't log in right now, but I'm on my mobile device. But you have a wealth of information here, and you've got ETFs, you've got forex. You can keep track of everything. And then for trade, it also has a PC platform, which I very much like. The pricing, the fees, 0 commissions. If you trade on margin, meaning you have a considerable sum of funds, you can borrow on margin at low fees. It just goes on and on and on. And here you can see where you can easily download your app store, or for your Mac or for your Windows. it's looking to be pretty good. So I'm gonna keep looking into this one. I haven't, to be honest, I haven't transferred any funds over, but I most definitely may, because the charts are just outstanding and the information is outstanding. So I hope, with that said, I hope you have a good weekend and outstanding time. Take care.